Hello and welcome to Code Zone. Today we are going to solve our third problem of pattern printing series. Okay, let's see what is this problem and how we are going to solve this. Okay, for n equal to 2 we have to print this pattern, and for n equal to 3 we have to print this pattern, and similarly for n equal to 4 we have to print this one. Okay, so how we are going to solve this? Okay, let's first see the problem precisely so that we can easily apply our code on it. Okay, on the very first line we have to print address and then 2 a star for n equal to 2, and 3 a star for n equal to 3, and 4 a star for n equal to 4. That means we have to print address and then n number of star. Okay, in the second line we have to print some white spaces, then after we have to print a star. For n equal to 2 we are printing one white spaces, and for n equal to 3 we are printing two white spaces, that means n minus 1 white spaces, and for n equal to 4 we are printing three white spaces. Okay, and in the second line, as we can see, for n equal to 2 there is not any second line, so we can see that for n equal to 3 there are 4 white spaces in the second line, and for n equal to 4 how many white spaces are there? Okay, first till here there are 3 white spaces, then 1 2 and 3, that means 6 white spaces, and in third line there are 9 white spaces. That means white spaces are increasing in multiple time. For the first time it is n minus 1 time, then second time it is n minus 1 into 2, and for the third time it is n minus 1 into 3, and so on. Okay, so after applying this method we will easily able to print these white spaces. Then after we have to print just n number of stars, and whenever we are printing the last one row of a star, we have to print at that sign at the last of row. Okay, we can solve this problem by dividing this in three parts. As usual we are doing this in our previous videos. The approach is same, and we are going to apply the same approach. First we have to divide this in different part, and we have to solve this part separately, then we will combine them and we will get our desired output. Okay, first we will solve this upper part, and upper part is from here to here, and this is the middle part, and this is the lower part. For n equal to 3 this is the upper part till a star, and this is the middle part where nothing is printing between them, and then for these are the lower part. And for n equal to 4 these are the upper part, this is the middle part, and this is the lower part. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this. I have already copied and pasted it on main function so that we don't have to move again and again up and down. So okay, let's first take a input from user so that we can print it dynamically. Okay, okay, we are storing the value of n on a variable of integer type, which is this one n. Okay, now we are going to write our code for the first part, that is upper part. Okay, we are going to print this for how many time? For n equal to 4 we have to print it for 4 number of rows, so we can print it up to n. Okay, so we will write for int I equals to 0, I should be less than n, I plus plus, and at the starting of every row we have to print at the rate sign. So first print at the rate and remove ln so that we will not get a new line every time we print at the rate sign. Okay, After printing at that, we have to print some white spaces. For here there are 0 white spaces, there is 3 white spaces, 6 white spaces, 9 white spaces. The white spaces are slightly increasing by multiple of number number n. Okay, there are n into 0 white spaces, and there is n into 1 white spaces, there is n into 2 white spaces, there is n into 3 white spaces. So we can write it like int j equals to 0, j should be less than I into n minus 1. Okay, because here we can see that there are n minus 1 white spaces, and there is n minus 1 into 2 white spaces, and there is n minus 3 white spaces, and for the first line there is n minus 1 into 0 white spaces, that is 0 white spaces. Okay, j will increase 1 by 1. Sys out white spaces, and after printing white spaces we have to print the star. For how many times? For n number of times. J should be less than n j plus plus. Print the star, remove the ln, and after printing star we have to print @ sign for the last row. Okay, so how we can be sure that this is the last row? When value of I becomes equal to n minus 1, then we can say that this is the last row. So if I equal to n minus 1, then sys out @ okay, and after printing the first row we have to change the line. So sys out, okay, we are done with our first part. Let's run it and check. Enter any value of n. Let's enter 4. Okay, this is the desired output for 4, and check for 3. Again check for 2. Yes, now we can proceed to our next part, that is middle part. Okay, in middle part we have to print one star @ sign and some white spaces, which will be equal to these white spaces plus n number of white spaces. Okay, so how we are going to solve this? Let's see. Okay. First print the @ sign, then we have to print the white spaces. Okay, here we don't know how many white spaces we have to print for in between of these two @ sign, but we know that this will going to be equal of these 9 white spaces plus this 4 star, that means for total 13 number of white spaces. So we can use this for the last number of line. Value of I will be n minus 1, so that we can say that n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n. Okay, I should be less than n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n. N minus 1 into n minus 1, we are doing this because of these white spaces, and after printing these white spaces we have to print some extra number of white spaces, that is 4 white spaces. So this is the 4 is equal to number of value of n, and so that's why we are adding n at the last of this expression. Okay, I think we are able to understand it. If okay, after this we just print the white spaces, and after printing these white spaces we have to again print this at the rate sign. So just copy this and paste this. Okay, and after printing this row we have to again change the line. So just change the line. Okay, now we are done with our two topmost part, that is part 1 and part 2, that is upper part and lower part. Let's run the program and check. Okay, enter any value of n. Let's enter 4. Okay, it's correct. Again enter 3. It's correct. Again enter 2. Okay, now we can proceed to our last part, that is n lower part. Okay, here we have to print some white spaces at the beginning, and then we have to print at the rate, and at the rate. For how many time? N minus 1 time. So first of all we have to write for loop up to minus 1 equal to 0, I should be less than n minus 1, I plus plus, and okay, how many white spaces we have to print? Let's see on the top. The white spaces we are printing here should be equal to these white spaces plus 1. We are adding plus 1 just because of this at the rate sign is disappeared from this location, and we are printing a white space on the place of this. So we will use exactly same number of white spaces that we have used in between these two, and we'll add 1 to them. Okay, let's that's why let's copy these. Ctrl plus C and paste it here, and just add 1 to them. Okay, Z plus plus, and print the white spaces. Make sure we are not printing the new line every time we are printing the white spaces. Okay, after printing white spaces, just we have to print at the rate sign at the last. So this is how at the rate, and after printing at the rate we can change our line. So we can use print ln here. Okay, I think we are done. Let's check. Enter any value of n. Let's enter 4. Okay, for value of 4 we are getting that right output. Again run, enter 3. Again run, enter 2. Okay, yeah, our program is right, and we are done. Okay, after watching this video, if you learned anything from this and want to support my work, then you can like the video, share the video, and share your thought on the comment box. If you want that I should make more videos on pattern printing, you can share your problem on comment box, so that whenever I will make next video, I will solve your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video.